Feel the comfort of clean and sleek chiclet key design. Hello friends, today Opposite is with you with an unboxing video of DELL KM117 wireless keyboard and mouse. Also JBL Mini Boost Bluetooth speaker. We have bought it from DELL showroom with a cheap rate of Rs 1350 and it's a combo set of wireless mouse and keyboard. The marvelous mouse and keyboard is so smooth and simple to use. Just you have to do is insert the two AAA batteries in the keyboard and a AA battery in the mouse. And then put the drive into the USB port and it's ready to use. You can connect with nano-sized receiver up to 10 meters. Enjoy convenient multimedia and hold shortcut keys. Feel the comfort of clean and sleek chiclet key design. And what to say about the JBL Mini Boost Bluetooth speaker? It has a functions of stereo sound, durable battery, splash proof, and two speakers can be connected in one handset.
في مقلتي أنت أولى في الحشا من مهجتي من ناظري تسعد القلب